Welcome guys, so today I am with the Xiaomi POCO M5s and I'm gonna show you how camera promote works in this phone. So to open the promote, you have to simply go for the left side. It will be next to the documents mode. And at the first, I can recommend you to tap on the information icon where you will find the description of each function. So right now I'm gonna show you how the parameters works. At the first, we can find the white balance. As you can see, the temperature has changed, and there is also the manual slider. To set it automatically, tap right here. Here we can find focus. So right now, when I'm gonna set it like that, everything that it's close to the lens, it will be out of the focus. So if you want to catch the focus in the lens, catch the focus on the close objects, you have to just move the slider like that. Right here we can find the shutter speed. We can set it even to the 30 seconds. Here we can find ISO. That's the exposure compensation, the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. And here we can simply switch lenses. When you click in this place, you can enable this Ultra HD mode, and by tapping right here you can change the matrix metering, and tapping right here you can add the default filters. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.